couple of exciting things going on in the coming weeks at the Bay Park. Over my left shoulder is a very large red crane that has been put into place, and on Monday is going to lift the new, much larger, ADA accessible canoe kayak launch into place in the mangrove bayou. The second thing that's going on in the bayou is we've begun demolition of the existing bridge to accommodate the dredge barges that will be moved into place, and in early September begin pumping out the 2 to 3 feet of polluted silt that exists in that bayou. That whole process will take about 90 days, at which point we'll reopen the new bridge and open the new kayak launch for the public to enjoy.